Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Scarlett, welcome back to Life is Scarlett, and today I'm coming out with a brand new YouTube video. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be looking at all my slimes and trying to figure out which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to throw away. So, I'm going to get that really quickly. Okay. I have a big bag. So, I have this. I'm gonna be like poking my slime in here and stuff. So I have a bunch of slime that I've made over the years. This is really hard. I have some slimes in bags, some slime. There's like nothing. I definitely need some borax. As you guys might know or might not know, I'm not sure if you guys know this or not, but I use borax and water. So, who else uses borax and water? I use borax and water. I'm gonna go ahead and take out all the bags. Oh my god, I have so much slime. I might have to put my hair up for this. I might look messy. I'm very sorry. Well, this is the best it's gonna get. If you guys don't already know, I am sick. So, yeah. A lot of these slimes look melted. This one's very hard. It's crunchy. This one. Oh, this one looks pretty. This black one. This pink one. Oh my god. These. This white one. I definitely am gonna keep this one. I'm not sure about this one or any other slimes. After this, I'm gonna have to clean my room again. All of my slime. I have this big bag. It's from Burke's. If you guys haven't been there, a really nice place to shop. So, put the slime bag on top of the bag because. So, you know what? I'm gonna do something great. I am in shorts, but they're like Nike shorts, so they're very short. Like right here. I'm gonna do this. I think we're better like that. So I'm gonna put this again over here. This feels a lot better than how it was before. I have all the slimes over here. I do have shorts, as I told you guys before. I'll start off with this one. This one looks interesting. This one feels pretty good. Not gonna lie, I do have a lot of slimes. I have 14 containers full of slime. And I threw a lot of them away. And then I have a bunch of bag slimes, which I already saw. I think I am going to keep this one. This one has a really nice texture. It's like a jelly slime. It's okay. But yeah. Oh, it does have some crackles. Oh, that's good. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. So this one's a good one. I am going to keep this one. I'm very sick, by the way. I said that. So this is the keep, and this is the not keep. Even though all the funds are over here, but I'm just gonna put them over there for now. I'm gonna have to sleep my room. I'm not gonna stay like that. I'll be right back. I think I'm gonna set. I have a mess over here, so just don't pay attention to it. I'm gonna set you guys over here at my desk. I think that's gonna be a better idea. Let me just move all this stuff. This is my brother's sweater. Teslas, my Adidas. This is my backpack. These are my sister's Uggs. This is the side I'm gonna keep. Okay. At this, you can see me walking back and forth. But if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Even though I'm really not doing anything much on my channel, I'm gonna start doing it because my birthday's coming up, and I'll definitely take you guys on an adventure. So yeah. And if you guys were wondering, my birthday is October 15. So, okay. Now we're good. Okay. All the stones are gonna be. Okay. This is very unreal. I feel claustrophobic. So this is the keep. I'm gonna put it down here, and then the not keep are gonna go down here. So you guys can only see the half of me, half of my face, I guess you could say. So let's just get started. Oh, I need some borax. I'll do that right now. So that's a keep. I'll get this one. This one's nice and glossy. I might have to add some lotion to this one. I'm not sure though, because it's very nice and glossy and thick. But I'm just not sure if I want it like jiggly, you know. So we're gonna try to make it glossy. This is like a transforming my slime or something, but I'm not trying. I'm gonna try to get rid of some slimes. So yes, I do use this lotion. I use Bath and Body Works lotion. This is very expensive. Well, expensive for a lotion, but usually lotions cost like, well, what I get them for are $14, $15, something like that. Those are the normal price.
but that's just me. Non-sponsored. So yeah, this one's definitely a keep, I think. Definitely a keep. Okay, let's do this one. This is a very nice color. This looks more blue on camera, I think. It's more of a bluish, greenish. It's very nice. It has some glitter. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it did have this dry spot, so that's why it's getting kind of hard. Alright, so this is definitely a keep. So. Definitely a keep. Let's get this one. It's just like pure foam beads, like no cap. Oh, sticky. It's pretty good. It has a nice texture. I'm just not sure what I could call this or something. So. Y'all leave in the comments down below what I should name it, because it's kind of, it has like a lot of foam beads, like. But it's really nice. I like it. It's not that sticky. So this is a keep. I'll keep it. Let's do this one. I want to look at this one. Oh wow. Uh-oh. This one, I have a feeling that this one's going to be sticky. Just by the look of it. Oh, this is like a cloud slime. Just in the stretchier form of it. How come I can't open this up? Okay, I got it all out. This is a lot of fun. Oh, this one's really nice. Oh yeah, that's some good ASMR. Oh, I'm definitely keeping this one. I thought it was going to be sticky, but it's not sticky at all. That's a keep. Let's do this one. Interesting. Oh, no. Ugh. Okay, I don't think I'm going to take this one out. Let's see this time. Any foam beads? It's kind of like thick like this. It's like not sticky. And then it's like oobleck. How do I make this slime? I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. I think I'm gonna mix all of the ones that I don't want in that bucket. It's gonna be definitely one I don't want. In goes the first one. Ooh. I'm gonna miss this slime. It has a good texture, but I just think it's really old. I think I had it for like a year. But I'm definitely keeping the containers, so let's add first one in. Okay. Let's go with one of the bag slimes. I'm excited for those. Let's see. Which one do I want? I'll choose this one. Oh heck no. No. This one's sticky. I can tell. You know what? I'm gonna make some borax really quickly in front of y'all. You guys don't need hot water. People just prefer to do that, but is this borax? Oof. No, not borax. I'll just add some borax into this. Here I have my I've had this for like a year now. There we go. Add some of the powder borax. It's because I added like a chunk of it. I'm gonna add some powder. And I think that's gonna work. Okay, now it's working. Okay. Now I can definitely put some of the borax in. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh heck. No, no. This is a mess. Oh my god. gonna keep this slime. Seems like it's gonna have a good texture, but this is like pure glue. So. It's a lot of borax. It's very strong. It's very strong. Okay, this is definitely activating it. It's very thick, this slime. It's very glossy. It's very glossy, yeah. It's melted, because this used to be really nice and thick. This definitely melted. I only use what I use. I use pure glue, and that's it. Okay, we're done with this one. I am going to. Should I keep it or should I not? It's already 21 minutes, and I've only been over 7. I've only been over 7 slimes, so I'll make a part 2 coming up. Love you guys so much. Coming back for part 2.